Watch that's currently in effect just north of New Orleans. Now we're looking at several states still in the heart of it. Jackson, Hattiesburg still in the line of storms as well. And here we go. This is what we're looking at. Hattiesburg, where we saw the flooding just now, you're still seeing some storms that are pushing through the area. Jackson had another round. New Orleans a little bit further south, staying pretty soggy. And just north of you, you have a flash flood warning currently in effect. So big picture here. Overall, we have this frontal boundary that's going to be continuing to drape across the southeast right here. It continues into this weekend. So again, not much change over the next several days. We're looking at the slow moving storm systems that are going to be pumping up and dumping a lot of rain. And we have these upper level disturbances to add lift to create those thunderstorms. Overall, very wet and soggy conditions through the rest of this evening into early tomorrow morning. By around 9 a.m., we're looking at this bow echo almost, this organized frontal band that will be pushing through the area, creating some damaging winds. So stay with us here on Weather Center. Yeah, one spot that we're starting off with is Indianapolis. And right now we're looking live at radar. You notice just a few clouds a little bit further to the west and even some that are just trying to pop up. But this is just one of the first signs of a very active afternoon and evening. And we will expect those storms to really pick up as we get through the next several hours. So much of the activity is a little bit further to the west. So St. Louis, south of St. Louis, you're starting to see those storms. But notice that low pressure system rotating up to the north. That's where this low is right now. And it will continue to drift towards the east as we get into today. So here's the location of it right now. And we have a lot of moisture lifting up ahead of this cold front. As it scoots a little bit further towards the east by tomorrow, it's moving up all that moisture and bringing in that chance for thunderstorms. Now, we've seen increased activity in the tropics this week, but one thing you aren't likely